And there is the last one is cartoony car.
There's a new cat in town. He's got high-paid friends.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have full box of toys here. See, there is many color combination toys. So I will introduce all of these toys with you. Wasting any more time, let's go. At first, wow. At first is a Captain America. Wow, this one is very nice. See this one? There is a light. Wow, this one is red, blue, black and many other color combinations. So I collect this at my side. And next one. Wow, next one is a elephant car. See this one is very nice and colorful. Wow, there is a paste color, bright color and pink color combination. So I collect this at my side. And next one, wow, next one is a baby scooter. See this one is very nice and colorful, black and red color combination baby scooter. So I collect this at my side. And next one is a big size Batman. Wow, this one is very nice and colorful Batman. There's a black, golden and grey color combination. So I collect this at my side. And next one is a big bird
that they can never see coming.
Wow, this one is very nice and colorful. There is a purple and yellow color combination. So I collect this at my side. And next one is a toy gun.
I really like this gun. I just wish I could conceal it a little bit better.
Wow, this one is very nice. Black and pink color combination toy gun. So I collect this at my side. And next one? Yes, next one is a dark tower. This one is purple color, paste color, red color, pink color and yellow color combination. So I collect this at my side. And that's the next one is a army helicopter. This one is black color, green color and grey color combination. So I collect this at my side. And next one is a tourist bus. See, this one is red black color combination tourist bus. So I collect this at my side. And next one is a BMW car. See this one is very nice. Wow, there is a shadow. See this one is blue color, red color, black color and white color combination. So I collect this at my side. And there is the last one is cartoony car.
There's a new cat in town. He's got high-paid friends. Thinks he's gonna change history. You think you know him so well, yeah, you
See this one is very nice color combination cartoony car. There is a black color, white color, green color and yellow color combination. So I collect this at my side. So friends, what I will introduce with you. And now I will collect all of this toy in my bucket. The first one is cartoony car, this one is tourist bus, this one is BMW, this one is helicopter, this one is a bird, this one is dark tower, this one is toy gun, this one is baby scooter, this one is a Batman, this one is a elephant car, and there is the last one is a Captain America. So friends, now I'll ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful toys.